Okay, this is the third time when I'm shooting this intro, so better be good because it will be the last one. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to share with you a video that I never done on my channel, and this is creating a full face of makeup using just one brand. So today we have used only Maybelline products to achieve this full face of makeup. If you want to see how I recreate this look and also the products that I've used to achieve it, then just stay tuned. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And now let's get back to the actual tutorial. The first product that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Lightweight Protective Makeup. This is infused with SPF 50 and is also claiming to be anti-pollution. I match myself on the shade 116 Sesame. So this foundation coming in a squeezy tube, and because on the same time I'm filming a wear test for this product for another video, I will apply half of my face using the brush and half of my face I will apply this product using the blender sponge. Don't mind that it's a bit dirty, I wash it in the morning so it's somehow sanitized, just I didn't use the regular soap but just the hand soap. I'm not wearing any primer. I've had one from Maybelline, but it's quite old, and because on the wear test video I don't use any primer, I prefer to keep it on that way for today's video. So, blending with the brush, it's like a joke. I won't go too deep on the details of this foundation. If you are curious to know my opinion, I will link the wear test video down below, where I'm testing for 1 week 5 drugstore foundations, including this one. So one thing I can tell about this foundation is that it extremely easy to spread it with brush or with blender. It's blending like a dream. I'm going to add a second layer just to test the buildability. On the side where I've used the brush, I really don't need to build it up, and now adding the second layer I look like I have almost full coverage. But on the area where I've used the blender, by building up, the product doesn't look overdone or cakey. It looks same natural and has a nice glow from within. I'm going to apply the concealer, and for today I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have it in shade Warm Light. And I will follow the same approach. On my left side of the face I blend it using the beauty blender, and on my right side I will use the actual brush. There is not so much to blend from this product because it is provided with a sponge, so it has half of the job. Let's go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna use the single product that I have for this purpose from Maybelline, and my favorite setting powder for the moment, the MasterFix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. I don't have so much left, which is good because I have it included in my project pan for 2019. So I want to be able to finish it. I don't know, is it me or what, but my under eye area looks amazing. Now that our face is set and prepped, let's go ahead and apply the rest of the makeup. One thing I haven't seen on Maybelline, or I'm not aware that they have in their collection, it's an actual eyeshadow primer. I think they have those color tattoo shadows that can be used also as a eyeshadow base. I used to have one at some point, but I'm not able to find it. I might have tossed it out. So I'm gonna break the rule and I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer to prime my lid, just for the fact that I cannot work if I don't have a eyeshadow primer on my lids. For the eyes, I'm gonna use this Maybelline the City Mini palette. I have it on the shade Mad About You Town. I just bought it this week due to the 50% sale event that we had in our Roseman drugstore. I need something to open it. There we go. Those are all the shades. I wanted to get something more shimmery, but they had another shimmery palette like this one, but the actual shades were not so appealing to me, so I said I will stick with this one. I'm gonna take a blending brush. Those shades has some names, but it is written very small, so I'm not able to read. No, they don't have names, they just have some direction or how to use them. Okay. So what they say, apply the shade number 1 all over the lid to the brow bone. This is the shade 1, this light shade. Step number 2. So they say to apply those two on the entire lid and those two on the crease or the outer corner. Let's do that. I think I will go with this, the one that I wanted to put it on the crease with the second one. Okay, I'm not so impressed with the quality of the shadows. They are a bit chalky and the actual payout, it's something to be desired. So the step number 3 is to apply to the corner and crease of your lid and blend. So those two shades from this corner, they say to apply on the corner and on the crease. Okay, let's switch the brush and I'm gonna take this shade. And do as they say. Switching to a blending brush. Step number 4. Apply along the lash line for a smoky effect. Blend the edges. So the shade number 4, which is the darkest one, I will apply it on my lash line. I'm gonna use this brush, which is an actual lip brush. Let's see. How it goes. Yeah. It has the same vibration. Almost non-existent. Maybe the more shimmery palette would have been better. So just to show you, let me do some swatches. I think there is not much difference between this darkest shade, even though look the swatch. but when you put it on your actual hand it looks like this. And the lightest, the closest to lightest, so this is the actual color payout. I will take this shade, this is more pinky, rosy shade, and I will diffuse the harsh edges, and I will use the same shade for my under eye area. I'm gonna apply eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Sensational liner, which has this interesting form of the pen. And I always want to pull, but you have to unscrew. And the applicator is a felt tip, but is it kind of flexible one. And this is the switch. Actually, this is a nice product. I think I've used it several times, so I see that I have a bit of a fallout. Another product from Maybelline that is not exactly my cup of tea is this Micro Precise Brow Pencil. I always say like that. Brow Precise Micro Pencil in shade Blonde. I wanted to try that brow tattoo that everybody is raving about it, but I wasn't able to find a good matte shade for me. All the lighter shades were sold out. This is not that bad, and this is my bad brow, so okay, it's funny to say that, but my brows are looking better than my eye makeup is looking today. Speaking about not so favorite products, now let's go back to one of my all-time favorite products. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So the one looks like this, and it's hands down my favorite mascara. I never got the hype with the Lash Paradise mascara from the L'Oreal, but I got this one. For bronzer or contour, I will use this City Bronzer in shade Medium Warm. This is a really nice bronzer. It's a bit dark, however, when you swatch it, you almost can't see it, but it translates really pretty on the skin. It is similar, from what I tested, I don't have that product, but it is similar with the Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced, and even has a nice scent. It doesn't smell like chocolate, it's more close to scent that the Butter Bronzer has. It's a good product. I don't have a actual blush from Maybelline, but what I'm gonna do is I will use one of their lipsticks, even though it's not that good idea to add cream product over the powder, but I'll just add a bit. Not bad at all. I only have those two lip liners from Maybelline. They are both from the... I'm about to drop my mirror, sorry. So they are both from the Gigi, Hadid and Maybelline collection. This red is in shade Austin. It's a bright red. And this nude is in shade MCCAL. And this is a bit too pale for me, but we are going to use this for today. I discovered that I have plenty of lipsticks from Maybelline. Actually, I have 6. So I have this Super Stay Matte Ink, which lasts all day on your lips and doesn't crack doesn't make you feel uncomfortable. I have this Vivid Matte Liquid in shade Nude Flush, the Color Drama in shade Stripped Down, and this one in shade Rich Ruby, which is a very nice dark red shade. This one to go with a day appropriate look, so I'm oscillating between those two. This one is coming with the applicator. This one, it has a doe applicator, and I think I'm gonna use it for today. This is the final look using only makeup products from Maybelline, excepting the eyeshadow palette, which is a clear fail. I really loved and enjoyed all the other products that I used, including this brow pencil, which I wasn't so fond of it at some point. And of course, my favorite are the foundation and the concealer, and also the newest discovery, the matte bronzer, the city bronzer, yeah, sorry. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and if you did so, please let me know in your comments down below what other brands would you like me to do a full face of using only products from those brands. I have in my collection more products from Rimmel London and from Catrice, and also I think I have clothes of full face products from Wet n Wild. So let me know in your comments down below what are the other brands that you would like me to recreate a full face. But other than that, I hope you will subscribe before you leave, and if you will do so, I'd like to thank you in advance. And if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye!